Good morning, I am Ishana, he is Pranay SK and Ephraim. We are the SkySense Connectors team. We are studying in grade 9 from Excel Public School, Mysore. We have chosen the theme space and the problem statement we have chosen is design a payload for a satellite to launch into space.
Climate change is a critical global challenge affecting ecosystem, weather, and societies. Scientific consciousness points to rising greenhouse gas emissions and human activities accelerating environmental damage. Ongoing monitoring of environmental parameters, especially weather conditions, is crucial for understanding and addressing these changes.
In an interview with Radha Krishna Kavaluru, an engineer at Dhruva Space and former ISRO scientist, the focus was on the key atmospheric measurements crucial for understanding climate change. He highlighted the importance of precision using advanced technologies like polarimetry. He suggested a phased approach to sensor integration, starting with basic weather station sensors and gradually adding pressure, moisture, temperature, aerosols, and optical depth sensors. Comprehensive data tracking, according to him, is essential for achieving precision in climate monitoring.
Based on our conversation with him, we developed a payload which has two sections. One is the telemetry, that is microcontroller with sensors integration, and the other is the receiver, that is ground station with monitor. The Arduino Mega microcontroller serves as the central control unit, interfacing with all sensors through specialized interface, I2C, SPI, etc. A power management battery is included to ensure uninterrupted functionalities.
The system involves data acquisition, data processing, and wireless transmission. Data acquisition is done when sensors continuously gather data relevant to environmental parameters such as temperature, humidity, methane gas concentration, atmospheric pressure, altitude, latitude, longitude, light intensity, and air quality. The Arduino Mega processes the collected data and transmits it using the HC12 transmitter with optimized protocols for reliable long distance communication.
The payload undergoes a startup sequence, initializing sensors and establishing connections with the Arduino Mega. Continuous data collection begins and allows real time monitoring of environmental parameters. The collected data is packaged and transmitted continuously to the ground station.
The three of us came up with the idea of developing a payload. We all helped each other with coding and building the system. We thank our mentor for guiding us throughout the entire project. We would like to thank the ATL Lab team for providing us with an opportunity to work on this project. Thank you.